Okay, so solve the differential equation using the D operator method. So we have first derived how we can use the D operator to solve for a differential equation. So there's some few questions for us to use a D operator method. Okay, so let's begin with the first solution. So the first question was by y prime minus 2y equals e exponent 2x. So my D operator, when I apply my D operator on the left hand side, that's y prime minus 2y. Here, my D operator, D stands for the y prime. Then because this y prime is D, from our previous lessons, we notice that anytime we have D, it means it's y prime. Then anytime we have something like D square, it means y prime prime. Okay, so it's just a few things we need to know. Okay, so my y prime, upon applying my D operator, we are going to get D minus 2, all brackets close, multiplying my y is equal to e exponent 2x. And the whole idea is that we try to make my y the subject. So my y will become 1 over d minus 2 operating on e exponent 2x. So we do comparison. So my comparison is this. Y is equal to 1 over d minus a r of x. From our previous lessons, we derived this equation. So you just have to notice that anytime they give you a differential equation and they ask you to use the D operator method, we just compare it to this general form. That's 1 over d minus a. A is the constant and operating on r of x. So my r of x, upon comparing to the equation here, my r of x is e exponent 2x. And also further on, my y, which is equal to 1 over d minus a, which is a certain constant operating on r of x, is given by e exponent ax integral of e exponent minus ax operating on r of x, operating on r of x dx. So I know that by comparing here, my a is minus 2 because yes minus, it means my a is 2 here. So my 1 over the d minus the a, which is 2, operating on e exponent 2x, which is equal to, now here we are writing my e exponent ax. So you always repeat the positive of this value outside the integral sign. So it's going to be e exponent, the positive of this value. So I'm going to get ax. So here the positive of this value is what? Positive 2. So we are going to get e exponent 2x. Integral of, then we write the negative of the a as the one inside the integral sign. So we are going to get e exponent, the negative of a. And here my a is 2. So here 2 become my negative of the a, which is 2. So minus 2x. Then operating on r of x, by here my r of x is what? E exponent 2x. That's my r of x. By comparing, my r of x is e exponent 2x. So operating on e exponent 2x dx. So here, simplifying e exponent minus 2x multiplying e exponent 2x, they are going to add up. So you are going to get e exponent 0, and e exponent 0 is 1 dx. So when you integrate the x, you are going to get x plus c. So you are going to get x e exponent 2x multiplying x plus c. Then we try to multiply 2 by e exponent 2x. So you are going to get x e exponent 2x plus c e exponent 2x. So now my general solution becomes y equals x e exponent 2x plus c e exponent 2x. So this is the answer. So you can also try using method of undetermined coefficient or variable exchange. You'll get the same thing. Thank you.